name is Avis Jagannath. Welcome back to today's video. I would like to share my project that is entertainer data analysis. I will guide you and the entire process step by step. So let's get started. I will import the required libraries, that is import pandas as PD, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. After that, I will load my 4 CSV file. After that, we will perform the ADA process. df1.add. The df1 is the data frame, and it is in pandas. And head with the function of head, we will get the ideas of our columns names and the sample of data, how the data looks, right? And same we will perform with df2, and same we will perform with df4 and df3. As we have performed the head above, in which we have get the idea of our columns names and the sample data. In the info, we will it provides the summary of the data, in which we can check that whether there is any null value or not, and what is the data type of different columns names. As you can see here, the entertainer, that there is a 70, and it is data type is object, gender 70, birth year 70. So through this analysis, we analyze that there is no null values in df1. So we don't have to perform any cleaning operations. So that is a good point. And after that, we will perform with df2. Here also you have seen that 70, 70, and 70. There are 3 columns, and 3 columns having the 17 values, means that there is no null values. So in df3, we see that year of first Oscar, there is only 64 values, means that there is 6 null values. So we have to perform the cleaning action. After that, in df4, we see that there is no null values. During the ADA, I saw that there is 2 columns, df2 and 4, which is same as df1. So I will like to check it. As we have seen that entertainer 70 value, gender 70 value, and birth year 70. And same you can see in df2, right? Gender, entertainer 70, gender 70, and birth year 70. As you can see in df1, we have seen that there is 70 values and the column name are the same. So it's better to check, because we have checked in our head also, we have checked the 5 values where the values are same. So to check, I have run this code, print df1 dot equals to df4. It comes true, means that our analysis was correct. The df1 is equal to the df4, and same with df2 is also come true. So it means that we have to perform the operations with the 2 columns, that is df1 and df3, right? In above, you have seen that in df3 there was 64 values, right? And that is here. There are 6 null values. So we have to drop down these values. The df3 dot drop down. I have cleaned the values, and to check whether it is clean or not, I have again run this code as I have run here. So as you can see that df.3, I have made another data frame, that is a df3.clean underscore clean dot is null, and in which you can see that there is no null values, means that we have successfully deleted the null values. After that, I will merge the two CSV file, that is df3 and df1. So df1.merge equal to df3 underscore clean, that is this one, that I have loaded the clean data, that is this one. And on entertainers, how equal to left joint means that the first column, that is df1, that it is the first column, right? It will be same. We will not delete it any row and columns from the first CSS file, and from the third, the df3 column, it will only take the common value that is present in the df1. So that is a function of merge, to merge the data on DF3 on entertainer on the basis of the left joint. So in the left joint, it will only take the common values uh, from D3 and make the one file. So this is our final data set. So after that, we will perform the feature engineering. I will add the two columns, age and decade of the breakthrough, which will be helpful in our analysis. After that, I will export the CSV file. This is our clean data file, which will be used to make the dashboard. Till now, you have seen that we are having the 4 data sets there, right? And while during the analysis, we come to know that DF1 is equal to DF4 and 2. So we have performed cleaning actions with the DF1 and DF3, right? After that, we have just successfully dropped down the null values. And after that, we have added the 2 columns, that is age and decade of breakthrough. And after that, I have exposed the files. And now I have load the clean file that we have exports from the Python library. So this is our the dashboards, which having the different visual cards. So this is the first visual card, that is the bar chart, count of entertainer by decade of the breakthrough, in which we can see that in 1960 there is a higher count of entertainer, that is a 16. After that, we can, in this paragraph, we can see that count of entertainer by gender, in which we can see that the highest ratio is the male, that is 75%. In the third visual chart, we can see that there is a correlation between the sum of awards and the first Oscar. And the fourth is a line chart. We can see that the trends and the seasonality, right? The trend that it is changing up and down, and we are getting the highest peak in 1967, that is a 4. And this is we can see the correlation between the count of entertainers and the count of birds. After that, I have added the 3 slices, that is the age, in which we can particularly check the random ages, that we want to see the age of 38 data. So we can easily see that 56. After that, if we want to see the range data from the specific range, that we can select the entire range from here by just moving the cursor and selecting the required year that we want to do the analysis. And same with the birth year. And another interesting feature to make the dashboard is that, as we can see here, we've seen that in the 1960, there is the highest count of entertainer. And we want to see the another results, that is with the second chart and the third chart. So simply click here, and we will come to know all the data which are related to the 1960. That is here also we can see that there highlighted the 14 males are there, and the original data is we can see the 48, that is we have seen. And same with all.
Hope you liked it.